log in to your profile. I said this in the video I did with the mobile device. If you want that, I feel it's easier, but if you're an agency and you're running ads, you likely do it with your PC. This is why I'm doing this version as well. So you come to the top, right at the top right, click on the icon, and close to it you're going to see your agency account. Here's mine. You see the circle, all the stuff. Just click on it and it's going to switch to the agency page itself. Now on the left you see it, ads manager, ad center, meta business suite, professional dashboard. You click on professional dashboard because it's quite understandable. It's showing you the professional stuff. Okay, here professional dashboard, you see the reach, blah 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 blah. See home, your page, your audience. You can check all this you like. Then scroll down to where you see your tools. Under your tools, so if this menu was closed, look for your tools. Here it is. Then let me highlight it. Then drop down, and usually it's always opened, but in case it's closed, look for it and click on page access. Now you're going to see people with the page access. So at the top, the 3 access you can grant here. So you see add new, and manage. So at the top, this is the one you will require to have full access to your client ad account, or to give full access to your account to an agency or owner, to a person, and then the person can import the accounts through business manager, the partnership, the partnership stuff. Here you see the business account, and here you see the page linked to it. Is the meaning of this, is linked to it. So if you wanted to disconnect it, you have to request that. So you request that, since the owner is going to see the request and accept that, but that's not what we're doing today. So just in case, because you might find some issues with importing a page into a new business account you created for your client. It might be this. So it might be that the page is already attached to a business account and you have to disconnect it before you do it. If you want a tutorial on that, let me know. I'm going to show you how to do it. So you click on add new at the top, because that's the full admin access. The bottom is just tax, the audience and all those shit. You're going to see this pop up, Facebook access means. You search a name. Let me use the same name I used the last time. Okay. And here you can see given content, access, message, community, activity, ads, inside, blah blah blah. But it's not still full access if you don't turn this on. So here where you see full control, you turn it on. When you turn it on, you click on give access, and immediately it sends them a message or notification rather on Facebook. All they have to do is click it, and it's going to ask them you have to view this blah blah blah, and you're going to see all this content, message. They have the ability to add someone as an admin as well. They have the ability to remove someone, including yourself, and they also have the ability to delete the page entirely. So you want to be careful with who you give this access to. So they're going to see the notification, and once they confirm it, they have access to your page. Congratulations, I'm not giving access to this guy. So you just click the give access and that's done. So it's as simple as that. So if you had or learned anything from this video, really the little you can do is subscribe, and I will show you a lot of tricks how to get around Facebook, or just tips really, because there is a lot to the whole agency game. If you're a marketing agency, there's a lot to it than just clicking on ads and running, getting your clients. You're going to have a lot of issues. So just so you're on the safe side, I advise that you subscribe. So if you have any questions, you let me know. I'm going to find a solution for you and create a video on that.